I believe in Jesus Christ.
Alright.
I believe that He bled and died.
Alright.
He gave His life on Calvary to save a sinner like you and me. I believe He arose. I believe in that open door.
Remember, I had a chicken.
I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I believe in Jesus Christ.
No, I haven't given it to anybody.
My life has been nothing but Lucy. But since I started to believe in Jesus, my mind and heart and soul belongs to Him.
Yeah.
I'm leaning on His everlasting arms. If I could see Him,
Yes.
I'll never lose Him. I'll put all my trust in Him. There's nothing to it. I believe in Jesus Christ. Help me out.
Yeah.
I believe that He bled and died. He gave His life on Calvary to save a sinner like you and me. I believe He arose. I believe in that open door. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in Jesus Christ.
I believe in Jesus Christ. All right. Woo! Everybody hear that? Now you guys have just heard Reggie Jackson sing. Yes.